Hello, hello, hello. Dave Myers here, KooKoo for KooKoo. We're back in the KooKoo kitchen on the Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel. And I am so pumped today, man. We're gonna make a sweet item. I don't know if we've ever made a sweet item, except for maybe drinks. And it's supposed to, looks like, could be easy. Might be easier to make than it was to get the ingredients together. It's a no-bake coconut cream pie. Let's go ahead, and we're gonna give this a try. First time I ever used it. Instapot, and we're gonna try to cook this on the Instapot. So bear with us, and we're gonna turn this on. So 2 cups coconut milk, 1 cup half and half, 1 cup sugar, whisk together. Okay, whisking our sugar, our coconut milk, and our half and half. So while we're waiting for that, I think I can go ahead and mix this up. In this bowl here we got 1 cup of water, and we're going to go with a half cup of cornstarch. We're going to whisk that in. So we're going to kind of get this to mix in here, and eventually we're going to put it in there when we get our stuff in here to be boiling. Okay, we got this baby boiling away quicker than I thought it would be, but here we are, we're back, and definitely it's a boil. And in the cornstarch mixture goes. Now, it might take us a minute, but as soon as we figure out how to put this baby on low heat, we're going to just put it on low heat and let it do its thing. We are going to get it out of here. So we're going to divide it evenly into 2 bowls, these 2 right here. 2 bowls split there. And now we're going to take our 4 ounces of grated. I was kind of shocked to see that this much of the Aztec slab was 4 ounces. And stir that up into our mixture. Put this into our 9-inch pie crust. And the remaining filling can go on top. The recipe, we refer to the recipe because that's what we're kind of going by, but it says 4 cups of whipping cream on there. So we'll make us up some whipping cream. Whipped cream. We're gonna take the whipping cream and whip it, and then it'll be whipped and fluffy, beautiful. Okay, I can run the camera, but I don't know about this thing. All right, we're gonna make some whipped cream. And we got 2 cups of cream. We're going to put about 4 tablespoons of sugar in here. Ah, little peaks. See the peak? Oh, I'm so happy. Now, if I haven't mentioned already, I've never done this before. Okay, so final piece to our pie, crumbling some Aztec slab chocolate. We'll be back after this has had full time to chill in the refrigerator. All right, we're back, and we've got our pie. It's been cooling down in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. It's been a couple of agonizing hours because that's about all I could think about is tasting this pie. And so it's time to do just that. As a reminder, this is your no-bake coconut cream pie, and it has the Aztec slab chocolate on it. The Aztec slab chocolate is kind of a spice slab. It's really, really good. I'm having trouble. Where's Martha Stewart when you need her? Here we go. If you notice, it's kind of got that chocolate flavor in there somewhere, and then the other top layer. And the coconut that is in here is from the coconut milk. Here it is. Don't have to worry. Exceptional. Very good. On the back end there, just find a little bit of that Aztec spice comes in, but it is really good. So there you have it for today. Appreciate you guys coming and watching. It's Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo. If you get a chance and you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel. That's Cooking with KooKoo. We're on Facebook at KooKoo for KooKoo on Facebook. And now we just started this week Instagram account with Cooking with KooKoo. So until next time, we'll see you later. We're going to figure out what we're going to make next. And appreciate you being here. Appreciate the support. Dave Myers, Cooking. Who am I? Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo.